Hi, everyone. So we are still on section 5.1, and yesterday we worked on examples 3 and 4, which we were substituting our variable for a number, and then we were working with one variable and we were working with two variables. Now we're going to evaluate an expression with two different operations, or two operations. So I'm going to put my draw button on. All right, so we have 3x minus 14. So if you remember, you always rewrite it. So 3x minus 14. Our first step is we always substitute. So we're always going to substitute our variables. So let's put our x for 5. So when we have a number next to a parenthesis, it means to multiply. So you're going to do 3 times, I think I was jumping ahead a little, 3 times 5 minus 14. Just rewrite everything and substitute your variable. So now we're going to do this following the order of operations doing the V formation. So we need to remember now PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or remember we have to do parentheses first, then exponents, then we have to circle here. So we have to do multiplication or division first, whatever comes first, left to right, and then adding and subtracting, whichever comes first between left and right. So we have multiplication and subtraction. So it looks like multiplication will be the first. So we're going to do 15, 3 times 5, minus 14. You always rewrite it, whatever's left. And if you remember, we highlighted. I don't know if it's going to let me highlight. So we highlight that we did, it's going to let me do it. Nope, it's not going to let me do it. So I'm going to just box it, I guess. Let's see, let's do orange. So we're going to do this first. So if you remember, we boxed what we did or highlighted. So 15. And now we're going to do 15 minus 14, which if I go back to my other pen, 15 minus 14 is 1. Circle it, do your V formation or your pizza crust, so your answer is 1. So let's do problem B. So we're going to say n squared plus 8.5. So we're going to substitute our variable for the number they give us. So n is 2, so it's going to be 2 squared plus 8.5. So now we have to look to see what we're going to do first. So it looks like 2 squared is an exponent, or we have addition. So here's addition, but here's exponent. So exponent goes first. So we're going to box it or highlight it. 2 squared is 2 times 2. So we're going to do that work on the side. Remember, you do your work on the side. And 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to write, So we're going to write, yes, that's one. 4 plus 8.5. So you can box it. Where's my trusty pen? So we'll box it because that, or highlight it. That's what we'll do next. And then 4 plus 8.5 is 12.5. And then that's our answer. And that's our V formation. I hope that helps. Now you can work on your tries. Have a great day.